How to increase download speed on Safari. In today's video, I will show you how to speed up your downloads and get back to browsing faster. So first things first, you will need to check which network you are using. If you are connected to a Wi-Fi, tap and hold on your Wi-Fi network and select Wi-Fi settings. In Wi-Fi settings, tap the info icon next to your Wi-Fi. Then scroll down and tap configure DNS. You will want to switch to manual, then remove the current DNS, and now let's add a faster DNS. Tap on manual and then add Google's DNS. Tap 8888 and 8844. After adding both DNS addresses, tap save. This will boost your internet speed by making your connection faster and more reliable. Next, make sure you close any unnecessary tabs in Safari. Having too many open tabs can slow down your browsing and download speed. To clear any cache data that might be slowing Safari down, go to Settings, then scroll down and tap Safari. Then from here, tap Clear History and Website Data. This will free up space and speed things up. And that's it. By following the simple steps, you will notice faster download speeds and a smoother browsing experience on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.